Deployment of 20 platoons of armed force in the POSCO project area near Paradip in Jagatsinghpur district of Orissa has made the place look like a battleground. It's to facilitate land acquisition for POSCO that the government has made such huge deployment of forces, which is strongly condemned by the members of civil society, who argue that no industrialization should take place against the wish of people.
All of a sudden, from the backside of the area where the main police force was standing, a segment of the police entered into the area, broke, again grabbed about 3 to 4 beetle binds, and then they left along with a person. But subsequently that person has been let out. And these police force has to retreat only because, I am proud to tell, because of the children of that area and the ladies of that area.
Now the fresh trick applied by the protesters is making women and children sleep on the roads to prevent the administration and police from entering their villages to grab the land. However, use of children by the protesters and making them sleep on sand under the sun again raises questions.
जहाँ गांव में उनके पिता और उनके सभी लोगों को, माता और बहन को बर्बाद किया जाता है और फोर्स यूज करके और उजाड़ने के लिए जमीन, जल और उनका आजीविका, तो ये जो बच्चे हैं उनका भी भविष्य खत्म हो जाता है और बच्चे को भी फेंक दिया जाता है। तो तब बच्चे का भी अधिकार है उनकी जिंदगी और उनके भविष्य को बचाने के लिए, उनका भी अधिकार है प्रतिवाद करने के लिए, प्रतिरोध करने के लिए। तो वही है।
When protesters have used their trick to stop the government from acquiring land for POSCO, the forces are in place to ensure the acquisition of land by the administration. However, local leaders and members of the ruling party still say that everything goes by people's will.
20 platoon police, they could have smashed the entire opposition there, resistance there. But they didn't do, because they don't, government doesn't want that there should be violence, there should be forceful occupation. That's why they return back. They are taking time, they are convincing those people at Govindpur. If all will be convinced, then they will hand over their land. So all through Chief Minister told, and accordingly the government agencies are doing from the very beginning, without coercing the people, no forceful acquisition will be taken up, and it will be with the understanding of the people after fulfilling their demand. And everything is done on that line.
Even though government is trying hard to acquire land and make POSCO come quickly in the proposed area, this force of kids and women would cause bigger troubles on the way of Orissa government's forceful industrialization.